Okay, so as the instructions indicate, cut the patch to a circular shape in a size larger than the damage. Press patch firmly over the damaged area. With weight pressing on the patch, wait 0.5 hours for adhesive to set. So pressure should be put on the patch. It doesn't indicate how that can be done, especially if it might be in an area where it's on the side of the mattress. Okay, so I'm going to cut it in a circular shape. The patch I require is small because the hole is very small. It's about the size of a pinprick. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to apply the patch. I'm going to push it into the seams. And I'm going to be putting pressure on it throughout the half hour of time that the adhesive needs to dry. I don't feel any air coming through. There is a groove here. So if I put a flat object, it's not going to have the pressure in all parts of the patch, especially the center, which is where the hole is. So I decided to use this pot cover and rest the handle like that, touching the groove. And then on top of the pot cover, I'm going to add some more weight. Using these items as a weight, I'm going to apply pressure on the patch, and it's mostly on the center with some of it around it. It's a difficult area to apply pressure because there's a groove here. So to get pressure on the entire circumference of the patch is complicated due to the groove, and of course the hole is in the groove. So I'm going to let this sit here for about a half hour for the adhesive to set, and then I'm going to remove the items to complete the sale. So I hope you found this video useful. Please like, share, and subscribe, and thank you for tuning in.